four worlds: the atomic world, the bit world, Metaverse, the consciousness world, subjective psychological world, and the idea world, objective artificial world. The author of this book posits that consciousness is the ability to fabricate time, space, and relationships. Abbreviated, consciousness is the ability to fabricate time and space. Similarly, civilization is the ability to fabricate stories, especially the consensus of multiple individuals, organizations, countries, nations. Likewise, the I itself embodies your ability to fabricate yourself because the I does not exist inherently. However, fabrication does not equate to non-existence. Virtuality is also a form of existence, albeit not an entity atomic existence. Philosopher Karl Popper divided the world into three worlds. World 1, the physical world of nature, the objective material world, the atomic world. World 2, the subjective consciousness world of humans, the emotional, psychological world, the spiritual world. And World 3, the objective knowledge world, the world of ideas, the world of fiction and imagination, the artificial world, the world of truth. For example, light is an electromagnetic wave belonging to the objective material world. When light enters the human eye, it appears in color, which belongs to the human consciousness and spiritual world. Because the same beam of light is seen differently by a normal person, a colorblind person, or an animal, the colors perceived are different. Simply put, World 1 and World 2 correspond to the material world and the spiritual world respectively, while World 1 and World 3 correspond to the real world and the ideal world respectively. World 3, namely the objective knowledge world and the artificial world, is an objective product of the human mind, encompassing language, writing, mathematical formulas, artistic works, and so on. Although these intellectual creations cannot fully reproduce the ideas themselves, they can be materialized, existing in forms such as books and scientific theories. Moreover, they can be transmitted and preserved through various carriers independent of the creator and receiver. World 3 possesses independence, objectivity, and autonomy. Once produced, it becomes a part of reality, like a table or a chair, independent of World 1 and World 2. Popper believed that there were direct or indirect interactions among these three worlds. For instance, physical phenomena in World 1 can influence psychological states in World 2, while psychological activities in World 2 can in turn generate knowledge and theories that affect World 3. Simultaneously, knowledge and the theories in World 3 can in turn influence World 1 and World 2. World 1 serves as the foundation. The existence of the physical world is objective, providing objects for human perception and cognition. World 2 serves as a bridge. The spiritual world connects the physical world and World 3 through human thinking activities, enabling humans to recognize and understand the physical world and transform these recognitions and understandings into objective spiritual products in World 3. World 3 is a product and an influence. The third world is a product of human spiritual activities, which not only reflects humans' understanding and comprehension of the physical and spiritual worlds, but also exerts a profound influence on the development of human society through its dissemination and exchange. Popper's theory of the three worlds emphasizes the objectivity and independence of knowledge. He believes that even in the absence of human consciousness, the content of knowledge in World 3 retains its objectivity. This theory provides a new perspective for understanding human knowledge, culture, and their relationship with the physical world. Popper argues that although these three worlds are independent of each other, they also interact with each other. For instance, World 1 can influence the creation and dissemination of knowledge in World 3 by affecting psychological states in World 2. Furthermore, with the advancement of technology, there now exists a bit world comprising mobile phones, computers, the internet, and the metaverse, which the author of this book refers to as World 3B. Originally, it also belonged to the carriers of World 3. However, due to its widespread penetration into humans' daily lives, including clothing, food, shelter, and transportation, and its real-time dynamic interaction, which far surpasses static books and pen and paper, it is listed separately. Among them, the metaverse represents the latest form of the current bit world. If we consider the fictional imaginative worlds constructed by humans through words, language, calligraphy, and painting as the one version of the metaverse, then the current new version of the metaverse is 3D, dynamic, interactive, and intelligent AI. In the era of AI, the first jobs to be replaced will be white-collar positions in the digital world, followed by blue-collar jobs in the atomic world. Once embodied intelligence, such as robots, matures, blue-collar jobs will also be replaced. By then, the demographic dividend advantage of cheap labor will be completely eliminated. I am Wu Huayu, a PhD from the Chinese Academy of Sciences and a postdoctoral fellow from Peking University, and the founder of AI Philosophy.